In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Canva designs as SVG files, a step that can really streamline your workflow if you're working with graphic designs or web elements. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each stage of the process so you can easily download your files in this versatile format. To begin, make sure you have your Canva design open on your screen. First, click on the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking here opens a variety of options for sharing and exporting your design. This is your gateway to turning your project into a downloadable file. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on Download. This option allows you to select the file type in which to save your design. Canva provides multiple formats to choose from depending on what best suits your needs. The default setting is often PDF standard, but since we're here specifically for SVG, you'll need to click on the menu and select SVG from the list of formats. Keep in mind that this feature is only available for Canva Pro users. The SVG format is unique because it maintains the quality of your design, making it scalable to any size without losing resolution. This is especially valuable for logos or icons used in responsive web design. After selecting SVG, simply click the download button to save your design to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Canva creation into an SVG file, ready to use for any project that requires a vector format. Having your design in SVG format is a big advantage if you plan on editing it further in other software or using it in projects where clarity and scalability are crucial. It also ensures your design maintains consistency across different screen sizes and resolutions. By following these straightforward steps, you can save any of your Canva designs as an SVG file, ready for anything from web development to scalable print projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more insightful videos on graphic design and tips for using Canva like a pro. See you in the next one.